Way to go, Grandpa.
Okay, brush me off.
Brush off his butt. Brush off his butt. Look at that beautiful snow angel Grandpa made.
Look up here, you see it. Look at the angel. Oh, see his big arms out there?
All right.
You want to make one? You want to make one?
Okay. Show her how, Grandpa.
I'm going to put this up. It'll keep you warm. Okay, just like Elmo. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Lay down.
Fine.
It's okay.
Okay. So look,
It's okay.
make your legs, okay. You got that part. Lay down.
It's okay. It's okay.
You're okay. You're okay.
Okay, now move your arms. Whee! Okay, get up.
Look.
Yay!
Look, there's Leah's angel.
You did it. You did it, baby. Good job.
Brush your butt off.